It all started with a video I had happened to watch on PBS of a Chinese man moving in a way I had never seen before. The voiceover explained the man was doing Tai-Ji, and he was moving a force called Qi through his body, and by doing so, he could achieve robust health and deep spiritual understanding, plus do some other cool stuff. I started stateside with my first teacher, Scott Rodell, and trained with him for several years. He soon saw that I had a true and deep desire to discover the essence of the art, and he decided to give me an introduction to his teacher, Master Wang Yan Nian, in Taiwan. Thus started a new leg in my journey. With a plane ticket and $300 in my pocket, I was off. In those days, practice consisted of getting up at 5 a.m. 6 days a week to make a 20-minute climb up Round Mountain to the 500 Martyrs Shrine, where morning practice would take place and Master Wang would teach the form. In the evenings, I would attend push hands class and learn how to use internal energy to unbalance an opponent and cause them to topple. Master Wang would also expound upon the inner workings of Tai-Ji and Taoist alchemy. A few years later, I started practicing at 228 Peace Park in the heart of Taipei. There, many of Taiwan's great martial arts teachers would have their own spot and would teach. I also learned from them, and in time, with a lot of practice, I had my own spot and was teaching there too. And now, after nearly 3 decades, I'm home, and I'm humbly asking for your help so that I can teach here.